Hello, welcome to Aishule. In today's tutorial, we shall be looking at what we call the teacher routines. The teacher routine is simply the teacher timetable for the teacher to see their timetable, the classes they are teaching, and the subjects they are teaching. Now, in the teacher routine, or in the teacher timetable, you as the teacher will not be able to upload your own timetable. You as the teacher will not be able to set your own timetable. Remember, the school timetabler will be continuing in their role as setting up your timetables, and they shall be the ones to hand over the timetable to the school administrators, who shall be uploading those timetables to the system. Now, for a teacher, what you are simply going to see is how you are able to view your routine and the classes you teach, the timing, and also the subjects. So once you are logged in as the teacher, the first place you are taken to the dashboard is the teacher routine, which you are actually able to see, indicated as teacher routine. Even if you click or tap on the teacher routine on the left-hand side, this is what you shall be shown. As you can see, it's actually blank as per now. Now, what if Mr. Abale wanted to see the subjects and the classes he's going to teach during the week? So the one thing he needs to do is to select the batch. Now we have this button for showing the teacher routine. You will notice when I click on show teacher routine, it is blank. Now why is it blank? Because the date is actually on a Sunday, and in the timetable Sunday is actually a holiday. And if you look at the past dates, these dates have already passed, so there's no way he's going to teach the days that have passed. So how do we go about it? If you want to see what you're going to teach during the week, assuming it's a Sunday, it can even be on a Tuesday. What you simply need to do is to come and click on this calendar button, calendar icon. You can see the calendar shows it's on a Sunday, but Mr. Bade has classes from Monday. So you simply click on the 6th of September, which means you want to see from the Monday, the next day, which is on a Monday. Then what you shall simply go ahead and do is to click or tap on the teacher routine. And just like that, you can see the timetable has been populated from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. In our demo school, we are assuming Saturdays and Sundays are actually holidays, so the teachers are not able to teach. And you can see in our demo, our classes start from 8:20 a.m. and our classes actually end at 1:40 p.m. Now the timing varies per school. This is not something that is a must per school. It varies per school. So let's see, in his timetable, as you can see, from Monday all the way to 9 a.m., Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, he has no classes. On Thursday and on Friday, he has grade 3 classes. He has grade 3 morning classes, Kiswahili. If I move my mouse around, you shall see something like a gray button, just indicating to you. Now, when you click on a class, it actually indicates offline, indicating that it's a physical class. You are physically in a class teaching. You can switch it to online classes and click it on save. Then you shall notice the color of the class changes to blue, indicating that on Thursday from 8:20 a.m. to 8:50 a.m. the students will be having an online class, not an offline class. Then the red color indicates it's break time. These ones indicate it is break time. Now moving ahead, you can see he has class 6, grade 5, class 7, science, environmental, religious education activities, then all the rest downwards to the break time. Now these are the classes he's actually going to teach during the week. If you as a teacher have been given, let's say, 2 classes during the same time, then you shall notice during this time you shall have like 2 grade classes appearing. For example, this one would have been grade 3 and grade 7, indicating you have been mistakenly given 2 classes at a go. But for this one, everything is okay. The blanks simply means he has no classes during these times. Now he can even decide to view it per class. For example, if you wanted to only see the class 7, simply goes ahead to click on class 7, then click on show teacher routine, and you can see during the week he only has 3 classes with class 7. You can go ahead and actually select any of the grades and the sections to actually view the classes you are teaching during the week. In case there's any error, there are any mistakes on your timetabling, you cannot change it as a teacher on your end. You simply need to go to the school administrator, contact your school administrator, who will actually contact the school timetabler, and they shall make the rectifications for you. Yeah, so that's it from us. Thank you for joining us. Good day.